Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video. Electric powertrain. The Model S Plaid is powered by a tri-motor electric powertrain, providing all-wheel drive ORD capability. The electric motors deliver instant torque, resulting in incredibly quick acceleration. The Model S Plaid is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world in terms of acceleration. This rapid acceleration is made possible by the combination of powerful electric motors, advanced battery technology, and Tesla's engineering expertise. Top speed. The Model S Plaid boasts an impressive top speed, exceeding 200 mph 322 km/h in some variants. Battery and range. Equipped with a high-capacity battery pack, the Model S Plaid offers an impressive driving range on a single charge. Depending on the variant and driving conditions, the Model S Plaid can achieve over 300 miles 480 km of range on a full charge. Charging. The Model S Plaid is compatible with Tesla's supercharger network, allowing for fast charging at Tesla's proprietary charging stations. With fast charging capabilities, the Model S Plaid can replenish significant battery capacity in a short amount of time, making long-distance travel convenient. Interior and infotainment. The Model S Plaid features a modern and minimalist interior design with a large touchscreen display serving as the central control unit for vehicle settings, navigation, media playback, and more. Premium materials and finishes contribute to a luxurious cabin environment, with options for leather upholstery, wood trim, and carbon fiber accents. Autopilot and full self-driving capability. Tesla's advanced driver assistance features, including autopilot, provide semi-autonomous driving capabilities such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic lane changes. Full self-driving capability adds additional features such as navigate on autopilot, automatic parking, and traffic light and stop sign recognition. Features may vary based on regulatory approval. Safety features. The Model S Plaid is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including collision avoidance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. Tesla vehicles typically receive high safety ratings from organizations such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (EIH). Interior comfort and convenience. Comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, with options for heated and ventilated seats, as well as a panoramic glass roof for an open and airy feel. Additional convenience features may include wireless phone charging, premium audio systems, and customizable ambient lighting. Performance upgrades. Tesla offers various performance upgrades and customization options for the Model S Plaid, allowing customers to tailor their vehicle to their preferences and driving style. Options may include upgraded wheels and tires, performance brakes, and suspension enhancements for improved handling and performance. Overall, the Tesla Model S Plaid offers an exceptional combination of performance, range, technology, and luxury, making it a standout choice in the electric vehicle market.